Hi, this is a Roomba, iRobot Roomba, and is cleaning my one of the room, and this is how it is working. So I just need to switch it on, and it automatically goes everywhere in the room, and then it revolves around itself, and then goes there and cleans it. You can see here. Oops, let me. Okay. It is cleaning at the corners of the room and then corners of any item. Okay. And then if you can see here, there is a virtual wall I created. So this is like, so it's blinking. So there is another one there. So it doesn't surpass this line. This is a virtual wall to the Roomba. Okay. Let's see whether it will come out of it or not. Okay. Moving. So with this, I don't need to do vacuum. So it is automatically spinning around, and it is moving all around the room, and then it is cleaning all over the area. And if it finds more dirt, and it automatically spins around there for a lot of time. And yep. You can see it is coming around now.